guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing something totally different that you guys may see. It's no cooking, it's no prank, it's no shopping video. I am actually gonna be doing not a surgery. I'm not a surgeon. But I will be trying to remove a bird egg from her butt. She have it in her butt for quite a couple of days now, so we're trying to get it removed. So guys, watch.
You're going to the doctor.
What take place too.
That's what it looked like.
Hi.
She make you? She make you?
She met me.
Double your gun. You double it?
Then my name was that I could have picked her.
Yeah, that's what I said. Double the gloves. Now we put on the thick gloves though.
She pecked me. I take her up now. Good reflex. Oh, what size gloves they give me?
Extra large. Extra large.
No.
Why? Too big?
We are not a veterinarian.
Oh, yeah.
We're not a veterinarian. Can you imagine it's my co-worker's bird and she have been telling us the bird have the egg in her butt for more than 4 days.
And if we don't remove it,
More
it
than
will
a
die.
week actually.
More than
Oh
2
my
weeks.
god.
And if we don't remove it, it will pass away.
And we just figured out that this could kill her.
See, I at least I was right.
So we are going to try our best. We called the veterinarian and they said it's $200 to see the doctor.
I would have helped.
Just to
I
see
have
the doctor.
$4.
Yeah, she said she help because she afford that $4.
I would have.
And that doesn't
Let go.
include the diagnostic of anything. Alright.
I'm not ready.
So what we're gonna hold her now for she not pick me.
Oh, there's a towel. Towel? Yeah, my always like a towel or
Not too thick?
like a small towel, but we don't have no small ones. Like the one in the kitchen, those look like towels.
Thin ones?
Yeah. Oh, this one look a small. Oh, maybe a washcloth. Maybe when I wash
Yeah,
it.
and then we discard it.
Yeah, no, we don't want that. We get
So guys, watch and you shall see. She's in this bag. We know nothing that we're doing, but we're only trying to save a life. Don't do this at home. It's her own bird. We are only trying to save its life. So we're only trying our best, okay? We don't have that money right now. She don't have that money to go do that whole 9 yards. So YouTube, thank God for YouTube. That's why I'm actually on here. It's very educational. So we are just following the step that we saw other persons who have bird and they suffer from can't lay in the egg. So that's what we actually following the step from YouTube. Guys, you will see what we're actually doing. Hopefully it works. Remember, we need a needle.
Oh, I just saw needles, but I don't use them.
So guys, watch and you shall see. She just bit me. Like, I have no idea how to hold her.
They nip hard. You could tell.
Yeah, they nip hard, really hard. So
Depending how sharp
see you guys when we start the process of trying to remove the egg. I think it's like 2 eggs she have in her butt.
It's not maybe 3.
Crazy, but we're just gonna try. If you catch somebody nonsense then when you talk. The bird need to test one more time.
Are you patient? Are you patient enough?
Oh, I need to test it? I want enough to work on them. Bomb bomb. Alright, so how we
I'm ready. I'm back up. I'm back up. No, you know that unreachable. That was block you.
I don't want any going. I gotta go over there.
Savage.
Yeah, make sure come on.
No. I just want to pick on the flag.
So put it closer. You can't hurt you.
You can't pick. I'm collateral damage for both.
This are the material we'll be using: olive oil, cotton bud. Seems like Pam is having a struggle. Yo, Pam my partner in a madness, you know. She always give me. We have some cotton buds here and some warm water.
Oops. No, I'm not singing to you today. You've been a bad girl. Relax yourself.
Oh,
You're gonna
put on my face.
remember the face go.
But should we suffocate our face out? Let me make sure.
I'm ready to catch it if it happens.
This is our nostril, right?
I guess.
It should be good.
I saw a brown thing, but I don't know if that's
Pull
your
her from
cookies.
the neck or your whole heart. That's how you prevent her from pecking. You hold the neck.
I think that's all.
And she wiggle out.
Yeah.
Where's her other leg?
My goodness.
Oh,
You feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Go on.
no, they're doing something.
Uh-oh.
They're doing something.
Okay.
Go sit it.
Did you
I'm
get the
just
needle
gonna
from
flap
Brenda?
it when
Me
you
ask.
order. Okay,
Amber
go sit.
actually.
Okay.
I saw on the YouTube video where they clip the feathers, but for some reason we didn't do that. Someone just remove it. Okay, all right, that's fine. Now that I see what you can do, you can. That little nip not gonna do me anything.
Put the end of the cloth over you. The part where she nip.
No, make sure stay. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just frightening and a little scary. Hold this part, the feather, cause at the end of the day, we never do the
So
feathers.
where her
remove.
vagina there? Right, you see?
This is the butt, right? Isn't this where the egg's
yeah,
supposed to come out in? The egg is not even anywhere close to going in this hole. Alright, so
You. I don't even want to.
oh my god.
She push out poop. You maybe need tissue to our wipes.
We need stuff.
I'm gonna get some wipes on the bathroom.
Yeah. Bird is in distress. Bird is in distress. Ah! Stop! Stop! Stop
I'm
it!
sorry.
I don't want to hold the thing over her face to suffocate her, but she nips so
What happened?
hard.
That's what we were trying to tell you.
They said each time you push onto it, you have to grease, you have to moisturize her area. I don't want to suffocate her at the end of the day, but she's nipping onto me so hard.
She nip you a while ago.
Yep, already nipped.
So I tell you, put the towel, the end of the towel, let her peck the towel.
Yeah, but I'm scared.
Maybe she
We're gonna have to cut some of this.
I'm just here in case she escapes.
What happens to her bird?
She can't lay in
Or maybe she'll just put it on it and make she try push it out on her own.
This is 2 eggs, guys. Looking at the
The
swelling
shape.
of it and the shape, it's 2 eggs trying to come out.
I was right.
So they improve.
I think we're not supposed to force it. Oh my goodness. Can just imagine the pain that she's in. Hold on to this part.
Oh, I see part of white something, poop. The poop.
Alright, so where's the warm compress? Did you bring it?
Use cotton. Oh, remember they said you could put her in the warm water?
This?
Yeah, I think they say you could let her sit in the warm water on the video. Yeah.
Poor baby.
Them-
Don't tilt it. Can you ensure so she not suffocates for me, please?
Oh.
Look at my shoulder. Oh, there's an escape.
Exactly. Why would you do something like that? It's supposed to be so painful. What is coming out? By the look of it, this is actually one of the egg, right? But what is this right here?
I have no idea. But
Sore?
Okay, bro.
you put her down, lubricate, so she would have pushed out on her hand.
So what give her the swelling?
I don't know.
That we have to go Google.
Want me to look
It
it
doesn't feel hard.
Google it.
Yeah, Google it. It not feel hard.
That's what I said. Told me see a squeeze.
It not give me the hard feeling.
So maybe that was the egg that was in it, but it maybe left a swell in a sack. And maybe because she go back to back, I lay the egg them and I get a break.
So give her like a swelling.
Look at you, you cute little thing. Look at that tongue. Where's your teeth?
See mark them up on my gloves.
That's just beat mark. Beat mark.
Savage. What happened to your butt? Huh?
Okay, so you wanna know the reason why I name her Savage?
Mm.
Because she been beaten up on all the other birds.
No wonder why. Because she's a bad one. What's she?
You've been beaten up on Lydia.
Is she pretty, you know?
I know, I used to
Nice.
admire her before because she used to just calm and stay by herself. And then she sit in the cage and observe everything that's going on.
Really?
She used to stay by herself. I think she was the one that maybe beat up Blue. And clip Blue wing.
We knocked the bump.
So this patch right here is from fighting. She and Lydia.
She fight too much.
Fight with her
I
big
would
belly.
have somebody beat up her backside.
Lydia.
Swell up it hell.
She always pick
Kiss
up.
spam. You like bird, you know, always a sing. You soon gone on the guy sing to Blue, so don't act new. I'm gonna attach a video where you tell her sing to Blue and dance. Yeah guys, so let's figure out what next. We're gonna Google to see if she can have a swelling. We might just take her to the vet. Because we kind of hit a rocky road. We don't know what else to do. We don't want to continue the suppress pressure on her. That's what I think. And we don't know what's really taking place. We think it would have worked, but obviously it looked more like a swelling. So I'll give you further update as to what choice we
Anybody
made.
have any comment about it or have any knowledge about, you can just put in your comment section.
Right, to hear it. That's all you need to do. Alright, anybody have any question, as Miss Pam said, any ideas, could just put it in the comment section. We're only trying to help. It's very expensive to bring her to a veterinarian. It's my co-worker's bird. She have a lot of bird. We need some too. But she been having this a little issue from when. See how cute she is? Her name is Savage. So we're gonna figure out plan B as to what's the next step. We're gonna Google it and we may just call back the same veterinarian and put together and see if we could bring her there, because this not work out. We thought it would have, but obviously it's not. So we're gonna put her through no more torturing. Guys, continue to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to watch a lot of videos. Savage, say bye. Beep, beep. You know you wanna beat me. Hey. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Walmart haul. Travel with me to see the stuff that I will be getting today. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in a few. yes guys, we are finally here at Walmart. So I will be getting one and few stuff. Haven't been in Walmart in a while. Haven't been at Walmart in a while. Oh come on, travel with me today. Shopping with me today. Yep. Guys, when I come in at Walmart, the amount of stuff you see, it's eye-dazzling. You don't know what to choose. It's so much stuff. But literally just food me come in here for. I might grab one or few stuff like bath towel and washcloth. I may never know. You know how it works. So my face early. Madison loved these, so I bought 6 of those. I think them just a little small. I think I might get one of them. I like this one. Do like these on a Sunday. I think them nice, but this one is good. Then leave the Walmart. 10 for Mampy. But I thought my body told him. But we need to get 2 different colors. One for Madison, one for Mampy because I don't want no conflict. Suit. $4.99. Can get tired of shorts. This is more girly. That's it. Guys, I'm so obsessed with twirl. I don't know if it's a fetish or whatever. I don't know if that's what people call it. But guys, me having a major breakout. Me have one pimple here, so me have so much things that come up. But I am so in love with towel. I think me need a new quilt sheet set for my bed. But today I am going to be getting some new towels. Definitely, me I spend like $70 today for myself by towel. Maybe $50. Not for $70. These towels, let me show you. These are just mostly bath towels. They don't come with no pattern or whatever. These are for $6 and I think this is a good buy. Them not too heavy and them not too light. So I might get 3 of these. One, oh Jesus. Definitely a black one for my husband because I be black in love. So I buy one for myself and an extra one for maybe my son. So I have the dark grey. We might get a blue. Oh, these are 7. Why? Is it because of the color? Alright, so I'm going to get one blue for my son. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. These are the rags. More so the thicker towel. You know what? I'm going to buy the rags instead of buy the thicker. It's only $1.97. So yeah, love new stuff. And I'm definitely gonna be taking up 3 more bath towels because I might give Molly one and my 2 girls them. I'm not really shop for my daughter them, you know. And them love coming to my room, come steal my things them. So I may get a red one. I may change the red one for myself because red is my favorite color. So I may just take the red for myself. I'm trying to get all the colors different. Let's see who can care brown. And get this brown one. I don't know for who. So that's short of how much? I think that is short of 1. So I may just get the lighter blue. Oh, why so much towel though? But anyways, they're only $6. Fake plant. I be a fake plant, I invest in it. Nothing is wrong with it, but me literally tell myself last week that I will be investing on a plant stand in my living room and getting different plants. Guys, if you have any idea as to what type of plant I should get, to love this. So I will be getting this in the real one. I don't know the name of it, and definitely this is what cactus. Guys, don't beat me. I'm not sure. I will be getting one of these. This is the cactus, right? This in the real thing, and this. But yeah, definitely Sunday if I have the time, I may look.